god! Yo, this is the...
What's up, guys? So, it's early morning.
It's like 8 a.m. right now.
We woke up because we're gonna prank Jake right now. He's sound asleep up there. He's sleeping in the day. He told us last night.
He's dead.
We have all these balloons.
Literally have thousands. We also got silly string.
We got silly string.
So, the plan is, Jake got his brand new RS, right? His little baby he's all hyped about.
Right.
So, we're gonna fill her up with all these balls. And silly string our YouTube name on the windshield. Because you know, plug, 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 plug. Because he's got somewhere to go. I think we're going to prank Logan and we're supposed to be leaving really soon. That's definitely gonna delay it. It's gonna be fun.
Let's get it.
He's sound asleep. Sounds like Tess is up.
Yeah, she's bumping.
She's bumping. Hold on, hold on. Hey, it's time.
His alarm just went off. But he's not waking up.
Let's get a shower first. We got like
15 minutes.
It stops. Let's get her done.
It's gonna be a quickie.
Box number 1.
You didn't know I had the key though.
Hey, keys to the whip. Oh.
We got major ball compromise.
We're losing some of them. Ah!
We had to get smart. We had to get intelligent.
There we go.
Oh my god.
That's just one. This is just one box.
Box was too big. Now we got a strainer.
Hey.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Oh my god, there's so many more than I thought.
Coming down to the last final scoops. Finish it off. They're so deep. Like, oh.
It goes all the way down to the floor.
I know, I'm kind of just trying to go in there and like play a little bit, you know? No one's safe out here in the Team 10 house.
No one's safe.
No one's safe.
The prank wars are real.
We're coming for our boys out here. Team 10. Watch out.
5 minutes later.
Yo!
Alright, go out there.
Yo, what's up? What are we doing today?
Oh, Chance and Anthony vlogs.
Hey.
So today we are going to Logan's house with the help of Chance and Anthony, and we're duct taping his whole entire room.
So you're pranking Logan today?
Yeah. But I want to get food first. If you guys are down.
Oh yeah, you driving?
Yeah, I got my keys.
All right, let go. Squad! Prank wars!
Dude, well this, dude. Oh my god!
You just got pranked, son.
No! There's so many. Yo, you guys, I hate you guys. No, no.
You don't want to...
Yo, you guys better clean this.
Yeah, sure. Yo, wait. Make sure you,
What is this?
make sure you like and subscribe.
I'm too quick, son. I'm too quick.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo. I feel like this is gonna stain.
Nah. Maybe.
Oh my god! That's a good idea though.
Hey.
Lightweight, that's a really good idea. Give me a hug.
Give him a hug.
Come on. That's good. You guys are good YouTubers. Come on. Give me a hug. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa! What is this? Yo, I want to sit in it.
Get in, get in. It's actually pretty fun.
But now I can't drive my car. Well, how do you have my other key? Look at. This is my key. Yo, I feel like I'm at McDonald's. I feel like my car, is McDonald's.
Sundo P fan.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
No, I'm not mad.
Are we cool?
Yeah, we're cool.
You sure?
We're not cool. We're not cool.
Well, that's how you start a morning. So you guys cleaning it now?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'll be right here watching.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. This video was so much fun to make. I think we got Jake pretty good. He's a little upset about it, but he'll get over it. Make sure you like and subscribe if you liked what we saw. We're going to be coming out with a lot of stuff still, and thanks for watching.